Hello everyone, welcome to the second lecture of Python programming. In this lecture, we will learn how to install Anaconda Navigator on your PC and laptop. So we will start with this. Basically, Anaconda Navigator contains various IDE in which we can run Python code like Spider, Jupyter. So we are starting with it. First, open your Chrome browser and type download Anaconda Navigator. Go on this, you will find the website www.anaconda.com. click on it and you will see this, and you will see an option for download here. Click on it. Now you can see here Anaconda installers. So there are separate section for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. In this lecture we will be downloading for Windows section. So now I am going to click on 64-bit graphical installer Python 3.8 version. So if you click on it, then your download process will start. You can see here downloading have already start, and it will take some time to complete. So you can see installation has completed now. Now click on next, again next, and finish. Now Anaconda has successfully downloaded. You just have to type here Anaconda Navigator. So you can see the Anaconda Navigator. It contains various IDE. So in our lecture we will be using Jupyter Notebook for Python programming and Spider. So you can, if you want to install Spider, you just have to click launch and it will install on your PC, and similarly for the Jupyter. And there is another method for launching these IDE. So you can type here Anaconda prompt, and you have to write a command conda install Jupyter. You can see the package are collecting. And it will take some time. Yes, you can see here all requested packages already installed. Similarly, you can install Spider from here just by writing conda install Spider, and after that you can directly open your IDE in which you can program. You can see here Jupyter Notebook installed here, and you can open it. Yes, you have to select here Python 3 on new. Yes, you can see this is the notebook in which you have to write your program. This is the option for run, and you can write here code, whatever code you would like to write. Just run it. You can see this is working, and this is the way how you can also open your Spider notebook here. Just type here Spider. This is also an IDE in which you can code your Python program. It is up to you to select Jupyter Notebook or Spyder. In our lecture you will use both the notebook, but I will suggest you to choose Jupyter if you are going for the data science. For the development work, Spyder is better as compared to the Jupyter. So you can see here, this is the Spyder node ID, and you can see there is a temporary Python file. You can type code here. There is console here, and you can see variable explorer section and various things. I will explain separately about the Spyder and Jupyter Notebook in another videos. So thanks for watching. We will see the basic programming section in Python in next lecture.